Look at that hula girl.
We got a lot of toys. Miss Candy can get some more. I can't do
You
it.
think there's enough toys?
Not in a minute.
Eddie, wait here, fella. Wait here so the fly doesn't fly in.
Alright, jump for the hoop.
Oh, put it lower so she can jump.
Jump.
Yeah.
Madeline's coming out.
Woo!
Not to me, though.
Not to you.
Don't forget to bring out.
Here's a lawnmower over here. I don't know what you've got.
Genji, what do you have? Come here, honey. Come here, show me what you have. What you doing?
Finger?
A fingernail.
Oh. Oh, maybe not around the neck.
Hey, pull this hula hoop and I'll pull your hula hoop.
Crap, I brought too much up.
Did you fall?
Get up and pick yourself up and go.
They were having a race. Funny. Hey!
Eddie and Genji, both of you do somersaults. Let's see your somersaults, okay?
Don't forget to tuck your head, Eddie. You know what, I have to push your head under. That was pretty cute. Go! Hey, she's gonna do a headstand maybe.
Push. You know how to do a somersault.
She's doing a new trick, I think. Has she seen headstands? Maybe she's thinking about a headstand. The older kids do them? Eddie did a headstand the other night and then he realized he was getting a little older. He's going to be good and tired for a nap today. Plus he was up late last night. Well, I think it's going to be a rainy weekend. Did you hear that? I'm not sure.
I'm going to run and get a cough drop.